Hey, it's Saturday, the 1st of April. I feel like it might be the 1st of April. Oh fuck. We're in Mika's room just because the light's nice. It's late. 2:45. This morning I had 5 viewings on the house, which is why I didn't film. Because I had to get the kids up, get them all dressed and ready because they were going to Ben's. I didn't know what time Ben was picking the kids up. And yeah, I had 5 viewings, so I had to do those this morning with the kids here, which was super fun. And then Ben came to get the kids at about 11. And then I FaceTimed my friend Catherine for like 2 hours whilst we were just saying, I need to do this, I need to do this. But we just sat and chatted for ages. I've just been and got a key cut because my next door neighbour is coming in to feed the cats while I go to Leeds. It was a tenner for 1 key, which is insane. Like, I swear, the last time I had a key cut, that was like £4. £10 for 1 key. Fuck me sideways. And I've just got a car holder. That's, I'm holding a phone holder for my car, so I can have my sat nav on, also drive. I don't know what I'm doing tonight yet. I'm leaving really early tomorrow. I'm leaving at like 7, I think. I can say it because she's gonna watch this, but it will have already have happened because this is not gonna come up till tomorrow night. So the plan, my best friend, the one who was on the drunken video with me waxing our legs, she thinks I'm going to Leeds today on Saturday. That is what I've told her I'm doing. But I'm not. I'm going tomorrow morning, and I'm driving, because she lives in Nottingham, I'm driving to surprise her husband knows we've arranged it, and I'm going to surprise her. So I'll film her reaction, because I did this, I want to say not last year, the year before I surprised her, and she had no idea. We hadn't seen each other. She'd never met Aria. So it'd been like years since we'd seen each other, and I surprised her, and I knocked on her again, I arranged it with her husband, knocked on the door, and she opened and was just like, and I've got the picture of her really confused as my contact picture for her. So I'm going to do the same tomorrow, so she doesn't know, but this will obviously go up, it will have happened by the time this video goes up, so I can say it, because she does watch my videos every day, because I love her. So yeah, I'm going to go and surprise her. I'm going to leave here at like between 7 and 8, get to Nottingham 10:30ish, spend an hour or so with her, and then drive the hour and 40 minutes to Leeds to be with Ben's sister. And then hopefully we're going to go out tomorrow night. And then Monday, I think she's working, so I'm going to go and make coffee and bagels, which will be fun. And then I'm going to drive home Tuesday morning to pick up the kids from Ben's, and then take them to my mum's, because my mum's just got back from the Lake District and we obviously haven't seen her for a week. That is the plan. I'm very excited. I'm nervous about driving to Leeds by myself. I'm now going to go and pack my stuff. I've packed my makeup already. What's this? Mika's written, when the moon rises, get the light, the witch magic will return. Tell she's my kid, can't you? Oh, where's my eyeball? I'm like super nervous, itching my eyes with these nails, like in case I poke my eyeball out. I really like my hair again now. I don't hate it anymore because it's lightened. I just didn't like that bright pink. This one's got baby pink, and then it's gone like an orange at the back, which I really love, like a corally colour. So I love it again now. I'm happy. I don't regret my decisions. It was just that really bright pink, like the super cerise pink. I just don't like it. I like the baby pinks and the faded. Like, I love the burnt orange and the. I'm aware it's just fucked, but I like it. So if you don't, oh, I've just snapped my nail. See, I'm gonna go and pack my bag. I'm not taking much. I'm just gonna take a couple of pairs. I think I'm gonna wear a pair of joggers on the drive, and then I probably should have just worn my leggings, but I'm wearing my leggings today. I might wash these, get them washed and then dried, so I can wear these tomorrow because these are comfy to drive in. And then maybe like a black skirt and tights if we're going out. I don't know if we're going to go out or not, but I'll take that just in case. And then like a black t-shirt. And yeah, nothing exciting. Dungarees maybe for Monday. So I don't need a lot. I'm just taking a backpack. I'm going to take a duvet. I'm going to nick one of the kids' duvets and a couple of pillows to take, so that I've got something at Amy's house, because she's just bought a house. So I'm either going to be in bed with her, or I'm going to be on the sofa. I don't know yet, but we shall see. I'm very excited to see her. I'm going to go and get packed, and then I'm going to see if I can do something fun tonight. I really want to do something fun. I want something to distract me. I hate sitting in by myself when the kids aren't here. So let's see if we can find some fun. Hey, I've got a towel on before anyone is like, oh, you naked. No, I've got a towel on. It is, I haven't got a watch on. 7. Just had a bath, the hottest bath ever. Like the steam, I was like, literally had it so hot that the steam was just coming off my legs, and I feel like I'm very, very pink. My back was really sore and I wanted a bath. So yeah, I've just had a bath. I've had a pizza. I've got all my stuff ready over there for the morning. My next door neighbour has checked my car. I can't remember if I told you earlier, but we've checked tyres, lights, oil, antifreeze, water and brakes. We've checked all them to make sure I'm okay for the drive. My bag is packed. I've got a duvet ready to take. I'll take my pillows in the morning. I'm watching Uncut Gems at the minute on recommendation from someone, and it's actually really good. I really like it so far. I don't think I've ever seen an Adam Sandler film where he's not funny, but it's really good. And then I don't really know what I'm going to do tonight. I'm just going to have an early one, I think. I am tired. Dose up. Have an early one. And then I want to leave by 7 at the latest. And then, yeah, because I want to be in Nottingham. It's like 2 hours and 20 minutes to get to Nottingham. So I want to be in Nottingham by 9:30 really at the latest. And then I want to spend an hour or two with Kay, and then it's like an hour and a half drive to Leeds. So that is the plan. So I'm just going to watch my film and then maybe watch a documentary or something later. I look so weird. I'm really gross today. But it's because the bath was so hot, it's just made my hair frizzy. Literally just from how sweaty the bath was. I need to get my chargers ready as well. My next door neighbour came around to see where to feed the cats and what they need to have. So they're all ready. She's going to feed them on Sunday and Monday. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to go because I want to edit this video now, so it's ready to go up tomorrow night, so I don't have to edit tomorrow for this one. Because I don't think Amy's got any Wi-Fi at the moment, so I'm not going to be able to upload. I'm going to have to, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Maybe I have to upload via my phone. I'm not entirely sure how it'll do. So this one is going to go up on Sunday, but Monday night's video, I'm not sure whether that might just end up being a short that I can upload directly from my phone, or a series of shorts for the day, like a day's worth of vlog within shorts. I'm not sure. We'll see. Because I'd have to do that, then I don't actually have to take my laptop with me, which would be good. I think I might do that. Yeah, I will talk to you tomorrow on the way to Leeds. So I will see you first thing, bright and early, bushy-tailed. And we're going to go to Leeds. We're going to go on a road trip. You can come with me.